Yeah, so working on Freedom Fighter, you know, it was a crazy, wonderful experience. It was in COVID time actually, and you know, Pele always call with some crazy ideas. So this time call and say, yo, find something man, meet up at Mixing Lab. So I reached there and you have great musicians there like Webo on keys, C Sharp on drums, Pele himself on bass. You know, so I just go there and say, hope I can offer what I need to offer. But it was a great experience too, you know, it's a little reggae, ska type of vibe, and you know, it's a very moving song. And now he's interested if we can play some Rocky Night too, so Billy say, yo, give the grunge right there, so chunk, so yeah. So it was a crazy experience, and also, you know, even working post studio and editing and, you know, engineering and just balancing and everything, like, it's a great song. There's a lot of different moving parts of the song, so yeah man, I hope you like it.
Survive.